Ever dealt with dropped connections mid-programming? Annoyed by limited compatibility across GM vehicles? Wish your diagnostic tool could keep up? Meet the Bosch GM MDI 2 Diagnostic Interface Kit. Next-generation diagnostics for current and future GM vehicles. Compact, powerful, and built for speed. Manages data transfer between vehicle ECU and CAN bus. Replaces the original MDI for faster programming. Supports pass-through programming for all vehicles since 1996. Essential for servicing Global A and upcoming Global B vehicles. Runs GDS2 software on your local PC for advanced diagnostics. Connects easily via USB or new wireless point-to-point feature. Includes everything you need: MDI device, DLC cable, USB, Ethernet. 2 wireless dongles for seamless wireless connection. No batteries to leak or replace. Supercap stability during engine crank. Industrial-grade construction for extended temperature range. Enclosure protects against fluids, drops, and mishandling. Automatic power down if overtemperature detected. Supports SAE J2534 and ISO 22900 protocols for broad compatibility. Future-ready with hardware expansion ports and SD card slot. Programmable function buttons for future software features. Requires Tech2 Win and/or GDS2 software for full functionality. Licensed software available through AC Delco. Before, slow, unreliable diagnostics, constant frustration. After, fast, secure, and reliable GM vehicle programming. Before, tangled cables, connection drops, wasted time. After, wireless freedom, plug-and-play simplicity. Before, limited compatibility, outdated technology. After, supports current and future GM vehicle protocols. Before, risk of tool damage and battery leaks. After, rugged design, supercap stability, no batteries needed. Before, struggling with software updates and slow downloads. After, high-speed USB, faster firmware downloads. Bosch GM MDI 2 makes diagnostics practical and efficient. Upgrade your workflow with robust, reliable performance. Perfect for professional technicians and GM service centers. Ready to transform your GM diagnostics experience? Get the Bosch GM MDI 2 kit today and work smarter. Product link given in the video description.